In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dropship on eBay with a step-by-step guide. Let's dive into this process, ensuring you're well equipped to start your own dropshipping business. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to eBay's homepage. From there, click on Register and make sure to select a business account to ensure you're set up for maximum potential. You'll be required to fill in your business name, address, and choose your payment method, such as Payoneer or PayPal, depending on what's available in your region. It's crucial at this stage to set up managed payments, so eBay can send your earnings directly into your bank account. An important tip here: present yourself professionally by using a meaningful business name and a logo that will help build trust with your potential buyers. The second step involves choosing a reliable supplier. This supplier should have dropshipping friendly policies, which means they should offer fast shipping options, avoid including any invoices, and provide tracking information. Fast forward to 2025, some of the most reputable suppliers come highly recommended. Once your supplier is secured, it's time to research products to sell. Aim for items that are lightweight, easy to ship internationally, are priced between $20 and $100, and avoid any brand restrictions or copyright issues. Think about home gadgets, pet accessories, phone accessories, fitness gear, and baby items. To gauge product demand, resources like Zik Analytics, AutoDS Finder, or AliExpress Dropshipping Center can be extremely helpful. When it comes to listing your products on eBay, you have two approaches to choose from: manual listing or using automated tools. If you go the manual route, head to the Seller Hub, navigate to Listings, and then click on Create Listing. Gather necessary product information, making sure you create an SEO optimized title that will attract customers. Plan your pricing carefully with a markup between 20 and 40% above your supplier's cost, and clearly articulate your shipping and return policies. Alternatively, automation tools like Autodesk, Zik Analytics, InkFrog, or integrating Shopify with de-essers can streamline this process by syncing listings, adjusting prices, and managing stock levels automatically. Managing orders effectively is another critical step after a customer makes a purchase. You'll receive a notification in the Seller Hub, at which point you should place the order with your supplier and ensure they ship directly to the buyer. Don't forget to upload tracking information on eBay to keep your customers informed. Tools such as de-essers, AutoDS, or CJdropshipping can further ease this task by automatically placing orders, syncing tracking numbers, and updating delivery statuses. Customer service is paramount to maintaining a good reputation on eBay. Respond to messages within 24 hours, handle returns and refunds with politeness and efficiency, and keep your order defect rate under 2%. Always opt for suppliers known for reliable shipping and transparent return policies. Once you start making sales, analyze your top performing listings, experiment with increasing your profit margins, and consider expanding your offerings with similar or complementary products. You might also look into more advanced tools like Zik Analytics Pro or AutoDS's full automation features. Eventually, developing your private label brand through Alibaba suppliers could be a strategic move to further grow your business.